Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, February 3rd, 2025. Welcome to the live trading room. We're just back from our 2 day live event that we had here in Alpharetta, Georgia. So I want to thank everyone who came to that event. You guys were great. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something this weekend. I want to thank Keith and Randy for their wonderful presentations. Let me let some folks in here. Anyway, it was a good event, and very grateful to all who attended. We had a full room, so it was very good. All right, let me see here. Let me turn down that a little bit and come over to there. So this was Friday's charts. Kind of meandered up. We had some great trades on Friday, actually, until we had one last trade, which wasn't so good. But up to that point, we had, I think, 5 or 6 great trades. And then the rest of the afternoon, it was a little slow midday and then started selling off in the afternoon. But then, well, let's see, Q closed at, just for the heck of it, 523.01, and it's dropped precipitously um, from the tariffs that were announced. So we do have a gap play. And the gap play, let me go all the way back here. There's the low of the day at 521.16. We'll call that the gap fill and trigger, but we've got a long ways to go to get there. We're already down to 512.84. So that's a good $8 we'd have to climb to get back there. Let's go over to the option chain, and we're going to trade tomorrow's expiration. We'll see how these prices end up. The call side is way high, the put side is way low. Those will even out when we get all that pre-market volume in, which is sitting at 2.6 million right now. Markets are way down, obviously, from all that drop. They are way down, and so we'll see when we get started. I'm not even going to call where we're going to start yet. We'll be at the money wherever that ends up being once we get all this stuff figured in, get all this pre-market volume figured in. We will know. And so with that, I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, a great weekend. Thanks, Tim, for you and Melissa putting that together. I appreciate it. It was fun to see some people I've known for quite a while and some new people. So, anyway, excellent. Um, this morning, in addition to the tariffs reported kind of thing that's affecting the market, we had a global manufacturing PMI number that will be coming out at 9:45, and then construction spending and numbers come out at 10, as well as ISM numbers, manufacturing numbers come out at 10 also. So could see some quite drastic pops today. Bond auctions, we have two of them at 11:30, and we have a loan officer survey, and that comes out at 2 o'clock. And we have one of the Fed members speaking at 12:30 today. So a busy morning there, and we have later the week we'll have a number of other um, uh, um, ISM numbers, and well as looking right now. Anyway, just a number of reports coming out later, which we'll talk about at some point in time here. So anyway, good trading, everybody.
Yeah. Okay. We got about 10 seconds before we start. Just make sure you got 20 cents between all your hash marks on your. Here we go. In three, two, one. And we are in. All right. So waiting for the broader markets to report here. Bet the Dow is down by 550. S&P is down by 100. And NAS, waiting on NAS to report. There it goes. It's down by 412. Let me let Ewan in. And let's see. I guess we'll stay at on today's expiration. it's in about the $3 range, so that's fine. Let's go over to the I'm going to go over the 514 on the put side. Don't know quite what to expect. The market priced in a lot of the tariffs concern overnight, so we'll see if that continues in through today and continues down. And I'm missing my 100,000 level line here. Let me put that back in real quick. Let's turn that on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Yeah. So, it could be a big rebound that happens because prices are so low comparatively. There is no such thing as really high and low. It just what the numbers are what they are. And on the call side, I'm going to be at the 512. Well, it's a bit expensive. We've already got 3.7 million in on the underlying, quickly going up to 4 million. I'm going to be at the 513 on the call side. Stand by. Bring this down. Let's bring this down. All right, going to the 513 on the call side. Stand by. Yeah, it's coming back down. It was looking like that was just going to take off. Yeah, it may still. Up over 4 million already. Dow's down 400, Nas down 366, S&P down 86. Price trying to push down here a little bit. That up. Let's bring that up a little bit. Price trying to push down to VWAP here. Look at this. We're all over 100,000 on each of our minutes. Lots of volume this morning.
Up to 4.4 million underlying traded so far.
Wow. Heading back up. So keeping an eye on that 513 on the call side. 513 strike call. Stand by. All right, I'm going to enter this 513. Passed me by. Did not get in.
I got in at 308.
At 308.
Yeah.
Are you on today's expiration?
Yes.
Ah, I'll go to today's expiration.
Isn't that what you were doing?
I was on tomorrow's, but that's fine. I'm going to go to today's. I'm going to switch over to today's expiration. They're a little more reasonable. All right, stand by.
Hmm.
Okay. Just got in at 310.
And sorry, I didn't let you know, but I just got out at the
All right, let's go
320.
ahead and take profit at 364. Wow.
461 to 510.
Nice.
I got 308 to 326.
Right. Nice first trade.
I got 34 cents.
Nice.
Shocking to me.
Now I am out, it's going up.
All right, going back to the call side here. I'm going to go to the 514 on the call side. I'm going to re-enter this in at 338. All right, jumping out of this. And I'm going to go over to the put side. to the 516 on the put side. And I'm going to enter this 516 in at 317.
What's the strike you got in, Tim?
The 516.
We've got that one announcement in 2 minutes.
Okay. We're just caught in a little bit of consolidation here.
I am putting a supply zone in there at the top of the second and third candles.
Okay. Yeah, definitely.
What's your entry price?
317.
And that announcement came out.
All right, stand by to take profit here.
Yeah, I tried to get in and it passed me by.
All right, let's go ahead and take profit here. Out at 346. 317 to 346.
I'm trying to get in on the 515 on the put side. Got in at 295.
515, stand by. I'm going to let it get through VWAP here.
515 put, Tim.
Yes, 515 put. Oops. Let's bring that up. Let's bring you up. And 515, stand by. I'm going to go ahead and get into this. Filled at 319. Maybe going into a little bit of consolidation here. It's like a consolidation pattern that's setting up.
Let me go ahead and try to take profit here.
All right. Stand by to take some profit here.
Come on. Down there. No, didn't fill. Come on, get down here. Yeah.
Come on down. Come on.
I'm out.
All right. I'm taking profit now at 340.
295,
319 to 340.
295 to 335.
Nice. All right, so we're 4 trades in, plus 51, 3 trades, good, 1 negative trade. Okay, let's go finish up doing some housekeeping here. Put a supply zone up there. Oh. Let's make that red, not green. Keeping an eye on this put, possible put. All right, excuse me. Going back to the, I'm going to go back to the 514 on the put side. 514, stand by. All right, I'm going to enter this 514 in at 297.
I'm in also.
Okay. So we've got Dow's down by 642, Nas down by 398, S&P down by 104. Lot of down pressure. Again, we're kind of going a little bit of consolidation here, going sideways. Volume's beginning to slow down a little bit. Got about 3.5 minutes till the pop at the top. All right. There we go. Let's get some good push down going.
Like 20 seconds to the pop.
Okay. We're in the pop.
Come on down. Come on down. Here we go. Come on down.
All right, stand by. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this. And out at 317, 297 to 317.
296 to 318.
Nice.
I get out at 334.
Wow.
We had to wait a little while on that one, but
Yeah,
did good.
Let me take a couple tums here.
Yeah. And I'm going to be looking at the 514 on the put side.
Yeah, we may be to the 3 minutes or so that turn around on after these pop too. So
Mm-hmm.
MACD's getting a little low, not enormous, but a little low.
Let's see here. So we've got 8,600,000 in on the underlying. Dow's down by 606, Nas down by 440, S&P down by 107. Fairly strong sell-off that's going on here. We've got some, some reversals that are happening, but mostly we are selling off.
Boy, still don't really have a good place to put a demand zone in yet.
No, not really, unless this one develops. Getting a bit of a reversal happening here.
Well, my cats have certainly been keeping close to me since I got home yesterday.
It missed you, huh?
One in the office here today, snoozing away. Had some beautiful weather down there in Atlanta. 70 degrees on Saturday. I went to the aquarium,
Mm-hmm.
and it was 32 degrees when I got home yesterday.
Ooh. Yeah, we went for a nice bike ride on Saturday at the Beltline. Very crowded, though. Everyone in the world was out. Then We went for a hike at the lake, at the river. It was beautiful, right around 72 degrees. So,
On the positive side, most of my snow is gone. There's still some piles here and there, but most of it's gone.
ah,
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
again, we're in a bit of a consolidation pattern, also what we call a messy middle. And there's a rule on the messy middle that is 9 times out of 10, price will continue going the way it came in. So price was going down before it got into this messy middle, and it will continue selling off. 9 times out of 10, it will. Doesn't happen every time. Nothing does in trading.
I think you talked about that a little bit on Friday.
I sure did.
Actually, where I think that if everything is definite, then it won't be business, and everyone will jump in.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be a job.
Mm. See if we're going to get a demand zone out of this. Got about 45 seconds until this 5-minute candle is done.
I'm keeping an eye on the 512 on the call side
Okay.
and a crossover right up at MACD or at the VWAP though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's move that demand zone down. Not a great agreement, but
No, well, we'll go ahead and take it.
yeah. Well, I think I'm not looking at that call now.
Let me clean this up a little bit. There we go. All right, I am going back to the put side to the 513 on the put side.
Same here.
And I'm going to enter this 513,
Two.
build at 280.
282 for me.
Let's get some of these adjusted.
Come on, get down there. Come on down. Come on down. Down you go. Come on.
Three, four, five, six.
Come on. Come on. There you go.
All right, stand by to take profit. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here
Yep, I did too.
at 306.
I got 303.
281 to 307.
All right. 56, that's all right, so that's 6 trades plus 97. Having a good morning today, folks.
I'm up 69.
Hmm?
I'm up 69 cents.
Ah, All right. So Dow's down 611, Nas down 466, S&P down 112. We've got 10,177,000 traded on the underlying asset. Pretty good volume, I'd say. A lot of minutes over 100,000. And we're continuing down. So I'm probably going to go back to the 513 again on the put side.
Yeah, good way to start off February. New month.
Indeed.
Tim, did you enter?
No, not yet.
Wonder if anybody's done a correlation with Puxatawny Phil in the stock market. He saw a shadow, so he headed back in. So
I wouldn't be surprised.
Market's definitely down today. Well, Groundhog's Day is my mom's birthday too, so
Ah,
I'm within probably about 3 hours of Gobbler's Knob, but I've never decided to try to go there and see Puxatawny Phil on Groundhog's Day.
sell-off slowing down a little bit here.
Yeah, MACD's down minus 0.8.
Mm,
Getting a little low there.
mm-hmm. Sort of 5 minute looking like. Yeah. Yeah, we're getting a little curve up on our MACD here on our Heikenausi. So maybe slowing down on this sell-off, maybe getting into a reversal of some sort here. So we'll just hold off. We'll just be patient.
Yeah, it is strong as the market is down today. I think I'll wait for a reset and then look for another put.
Mm-hmm.
Our one loss this morning has been a call, and no, I guess the one gain, the first trade was a call also,
Mm-hmm.
but everything else has been puts.
Notice we had a doji in that last minute, and we are getting a reversal off of that doji. Pretty strong reversal too. Wow.
Wow, look at that. Still, though, watch out for Crazy Ivan giving it.
Yeah, no kidding.
Wow, look at the size of that candle. All the way up to VWAP there.
Hmm. Let's see if it comes right back down.
Wow, probably can move that demand zone down, even though we're fairly early in the 5 minute. I don't think it's gonna
Yeah, no kidding. Let's go
gonna
ahead and do that.
a minute.
Wow.
Huh.
I wonder what's going on.
Well, an announcement just came out that Putin says Europe will stand at the feet of the master as Trump imposes tariffs. Okay.
All right.
So I don't know if that's what caused it to jump like crazy, but that announcement just came out.
Hmm. Boy, everyone jumped on this.
Betcha.
Wow, look at the angle on the 5 minute.
I I don't know that I've ever seen it that sharp.
Yeah, I don't think I have either.
And we did cross over the high of the day also.
Why do we hesitate to jump in?
Why, what?
Why do we hesitate to jump in?
We're not sure.
Occasionally I've seen puts move that fast, but I don't know that I've ever seen a call move that fast. Wow, the MACD is up to 1.5 on the 1 minute chart. Moved from minus 0.8 to up to 1.5. Wow. I'm keeping an eye on the 517 on the put side. Not ready to jump in yet, but keeping an eye on it.
Team, gap fill is 521.60, correct?
Yes. I was just looking at that. Yeah, still got a ways to go to fill that gap. The latest numbers are the Dow's down 230, NASDAQ's down 255, and S&P's down 58, and 13.6 million underlying traded. Definitely well off the lows of the morning. Tim, I don't know what you're looking at, but you really seem focused in on something.
Just picked a call 252 to 276.
This is probably what did it. Trump's tariffs on Mexico to be paused 1 month. You guess that's probably what's moved this up so fast.
Kind of looks like Tim is talking, but I do not hear him.
Oh, Tim, are you talking?
Yes, I am. I'm sorry.
Oh, we couldn't hear you.
Huh. My apologies. I had my mic muted.
Well, the mute button works.
Well, apparently so.
And Keith, the Mexicans have said they're moving 10,000 of their troops to the border to stop the people from crossing. I think that helped.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, I am sorry, folks. I've been talking away.
So what did we miss there?
Oh, I saw that headline. It announced that headline before, but to no avail. All right, so I'm going to head over to the call side, to the 516 on the call side. Unless this decides it's going to start reversing now.
Did you get into any calls there, Tim? Is that
No, I didn't. I'm up nicely and did not want to give any back. But this is a clearly strong trend based on news, and it could go on for a while.
Yeah.
All Heikenasi MACD is about to cross back under. Let me see what the 5-minute is. It's converging just a little bit. Based on that news, I don't think we're going to head down to those lows again.
No. I'm looking at the 418 on the put. I think the market maker made some money on that last huge move.
Yeah, I'd say so.
I think they'll probably take the rest of the month off.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to put a supply zone on the top here. Let's go ahead and duplicate that. Bring it up there. Like so. We're going to turn this old one gray because it's a minor zone now. Goes price back up. Wow. The 5-minute MACD is already up to 2.06, and our 1-minute Heikenasi just crossed back over.
Looking at the 517 on the call side.
Okay, me too.
I'm gonna go ahead and try to get in on this.
Okay,
I'm in at 330.
okay.
I stepped out, Tim, for a little bit. Did the Mexico tariffs cause this spike in the market?
We think so.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you have enough influence to get them to do something like that every day?
I try. I make a phone
Would you
call
get
here
it
and
worked,
there.
get it worked out?
Yeah, if they just listen to me, Larry.
They should know they need to do that by now.
Well, you'd think.
Yeah. Slow learners.
Yeah, indeed.
Come on, get back up there.
It's going through a little consolidation now. It should pop up and break through.
Come on, back up, back up. No, 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 no.
Let's see here. Let's go ahead and duplicate that. I know it's a little early, but I'm going to bring that up there.
There we go. Get back up there.
Put that supply zone in because that should guarantee that it will break it before the 5 minutes is up.
Come on. Yeah. Come on, get back up there.
Dow just down 135 now. Nas down 197. S&P down 41. Just going through some consolidation right now. We've got 16,500,000 in. Pretty good volume this morning. There we go. That's popping through now.
Ah, come on, get back up there. Come on, back up, back up, back up. Come on, Ivan, get him back up there.
Hey guys, I'll be right back.
There we go. Get on up. No. Get on up there.
Okay.
Come on, get up there.
Wow, got a lot of price range today.
Come on, get on up there.
Tim, the one MACD is not even approaching being similar to the Heikin-Ashi chart. You just disregard it at times like this. You got to wait for it to reset, or what's the deal on it? It does that.
How do you mean, Larry? I'm sorry.
No, it's. I mean, look how far down the one MACD is pointed, but the corresponding chart, the Heikin-Ashi chart, is not. I mean, it's
Oh.
gone down some, but it's nothing like what the MACD would indicate.
Yeah, yeah. I think what happens is when the MACD gets to extremes,
Yeah.
it shows more extreme moves. Not so much on the Heikin-Ashi, because the Heikin-Ashi is averaging over 2 candles.
Mhm.
So it doesn't quite show as dramatic a move as reflected in the Heikin-Ashi. I mean, in the MACD.
Hey, Tim and Larry,
Yeah.
I've actually noticed that a little more than I've ever seen it the last week,
Uh-huh.
where the MACD won't, it'll almost be like in consolidation,
Mm-hmm.
but the MACD's showing like a really strong put up. I had not seen that before, but the last couple of weeks I've seen it 4, 5, 6 times,
Yeah, it
and
does
I've
that.
never seen it before like
Yeah.
that.
It seems to me that whenever there's a big move, then the MACD, particularly the one MACD, just gets kind of whoppy jawed.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know if it resets over time or it has to wait until the next day, really. But
No, it resets over time. It's constantly resetting.
Yeah. But I think it would be dangerous to buy a put right this minute based on the one MACD,
Yes.
even though it looks like it's headed for the seller.
Yeah. But now look at it. It's heading up.
Except for that little hook that it just did.
Yep.
It knows we're talking about it.
Yep. Probably does.
Probably. All right, thanks.
Come on, get on up there. Get across the supply zone.
Come on, break on through. There you go.
Come on, get back up there. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on, get up.
It wants to, Keith.
I know it does. There we go. Come on. Jump on up there. Get on up there. Yeah. Back up there.
I do believe it's going to get out of this consolidation and head up.
Banking. We're out at point.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, we'll take care of that.
Good. All right, guys, we have top of the hour here. I think we're going to go ahead and wrap it up for this morning. So good Monday. Real good Monday. Had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades up 97. And this is trades looking better. I'm not in this trade, by the way, but there we go.
Come on, get back up there. Yeah, so I'm going to watch this a little bit, but yeah, I'm still in on this one, on this call.
Okay. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and call it a morning. Thank you, Keith. Thank you, everybody, for being here. And we will do it again tomorrow. I'll leave charts up as long as I can. And we will see you tomorrow. So have a good afternoon, folks.
All right. Have a good day, everybody.
Okay.